Thank you, wisdom.
There's no thank you.
Thank you that wisdom prevails.
What will we be distributing there? The man has gone. You have won the battle. So which one are you being with?
We have to move on to his employer, his principal. You guys have
No. So congratulations, our friend has left.
But we'll see how this will conduct itself.
That one is playing their future now. But he's going to suffer the same thing.
They know that because we want to do something.
Yes. Yes, Send the debt to me.
Come on, for fight.
No, and you don't be nice to opposition. Although they will take out the collective position from government. We want to see how we cannot write the background abuser. And I'm going to make sure that they dissolve that monitoring the way they take job. Rubbish money. That's now because I'm hearing that the reason why they get encouraged, seeing with the guy clothes, you say the guy said to keep him around. We should be talking about removing authority from police. He's a criminal. And I tell him to his face, not be serious. They should bring petitions in. Get those people to start writing petitions against